This is Mike Bluehair reporting for Film the Police in Portland. It is 11:41 a.m. Thursday, December 22nd. I don't know if it's too dark, but yeah, you can see that. And I'm here with Uncle Bob, aka Robert West of FilmThePolice911.com. How are you doing this fine morning, Uncle Bob?
I'm doing great.
So, tell me about your court this morning. Why am I getting up at the ungodly hour of 10:30? That's when you woke me up. And by the way, Uncle Bob, that is fucking uncivilized.
Totally.
So, what's going on? Why are you going to court today?
I'm going to court because the city of Oregon City filed a trespass charge on me, and I'm supposed to go to a municipal court, an Oregon City municipal court, otherwise known as a kangaroo court.
Wait. So they're criminally charging you with the misdemeanor, right?
Yes.
And they're trying to try it in municipal court?
Yes.
Okay, continue.
And a couple days ago, I went over there to talk to them about getting some transcripts, and they go, "We don't have transcripts."
You mean you went and asked for a court clerk?
Yes.
And they said they don't have transcripts. How can you be criminally charged without any kind of records being kept?
I have no idea.
Wait. So they don't even have a court clerk to talk to?
They have clerks, but they don't have. But the thing is they said they're not a court of record. Therefore, they don't keep transcripts and stuff like that.
Well, who does?
No one keeps their stuff.
Oh my God. Okay. Well, that's not like a due process violation or anything. Okay, please continue, Uncle Bob.
So when I went to my so-called arraignment, all they did was tell me what the charges were and if I understood, and of course I said no. And then they asked if I wanted an attorney, and I go, no, I'll represent myself. So they let me represent myself.
How the hell are they going to call themselves asking you if you understand the nature of your charges or whatnot, or the charging instrument against you, if there's no records for you to look over?
What charging instrument?
Right. What? This is crazy, Bob. You think this is like some backwoods Alabama, like, you know, podunk court in the rural South in the 1920s or something? I mean, this is ridiculous. This is right beside a major metropolitan area. Right. You know, right beside Portland, Oregon. All right, I'm sorry to keep interrupting, but this is just weird.
It's totally weird. And they threatened me and Muhammad when we were filming in the common area with arrest, even though they allow filming before, but as soon as they announce the court stuff and sign-ups, they tell people they got to put their cameras away.
Wait. So in the common area of the municipal court,
yep.
I mean, this courtroom must be in the pouch of an Australian animal. That's what's going on. You know?
It has to be.
Right. Continue, please.
So, I had asked the police for a copy of the police report, and they said, well, you got to get it from the court. So I went to the court, and they said they can't give me a copy because they're not a court of record. And they gave me this attorney's name, right? The city prosecuting attorney, which is a private attorney, and her office is in Gladstone.
Right. So if you're being your accuser is supposedly a city municipality, right?
Right.
And the city attorney for that municipality is your quote-unquote, I guess, the prosecutor?
Yes.
What the actual fuck?
And they and she charges, according to the paperwork that I got, she charges $190 for attorney fees.
And so this is the person that's going to be the prosecutor against you?
Right.
That's not a conflict of interest or anything.
No, of course not.
Okay, go ahead, man.
And so I was tripping on that.
Wait. So the city attorney is charging you that works for the city? Right. That is a conflict of interest, is it not?
It is.
Oh my God. Okay, go ahead.
So, what it is, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to film. And when they tell me I can't and they trespass me, I'll still insist on being in there until they arrest me. And then I'll be arrested for going to court. Lucky me.
Right. Well, I mean, you're just you're just trying to keep a record of your court proceeding, right?
Right.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to add, Uncle Bob?
I think it's a total shame when they have courts in rural areas that are not courts of record. You know, you can't appeal unless there's transcripts unless you can show that the court erred somewhere. You can't show the court erred if there's no transcripts.
All right, Uncle Bob. Well, good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Mike Blue Air signing off for Filming the Police Portland. I'm sure you'll read about this in PNAC or somewhere else on the interweb. Well, I just exited this legal black hole / kangaroo court at Oregon City Police Station here. So, you're gonna try to get them change of venue, right, Bob?
Yes.
So what went on in there, Bob? Since I wasn't allowed to record, can you give me your rundown?
Well, they called well, first of all, you know, we had fun with the bailiffs.
Yeah, we had a conversation with them. That was a little bit fun, you know. My favorite part is when the bailiff was leaning over me repetitively, calling me an idiot, and I hadn't even barely raised my voice, and not one expletive came out of my mouth. I mean, but anywho, you know, that same guy, to his credit, you know, we had a little kiss and make up session towards the end there. But go ahead, Uncle Bob. I'm sorry.
So I went up to. So they called me up, and then they go, the prosecuting attorney's not here, so they recessed court until the prosecuting attorney got here. Mm-hmm. It's a long drive from Oregon City from Gladstone to Oregon City.
Now, your charges are criminal trespass, right?
Yeah.
On school grounds, right?
Right.
Okay. So continue, Bob.
So,
wait, stop there, would you?
So of course I sat there and said that. She asked me what I pled. I go, I don't plead anything. So she goes, okay, it's a not guilty plea. I asked her to withdraw the plea because she's practicing law from the bench.
Right.
And she didn't do it. So then I asked about a change, or she brought up the thing about change of, you know, switching courts, which is a change of venue. And the prosecuting attorney goes, I would have no objection if you did that. So now I got to file the paperwork to get over there. The judge asked me if I understood the charges. I said no. And so she set up a trial.
And you said, you asked her for transcripts of the proceeding, and what did you say?
She said they don't have any.
And she said we're not a court of record, right?
Right.
Okay, right on. So anything you'd like to add, Bob?
It's a kangaroo court. Anyone that goes here don't expect to be able to appeal it because there's no transcripts to appeal with. So that's what I want to bring up.
So to make the summation as brief as possible, you feel like your due process rights are being usurped here?
Man, they are fucking being stomped on here. That city prosecuting attorney has a private law office that she works out of. She doesn't work out of the city. She works out of a private law office in Oregon City.
And how much does she charge?
And she's charging $190
an hour.
So far, the thing she's recommending is $190.
All right, just for a couple minutes of her speaking, so less than an hour's work.
Yeah.
Right, and you're obliged to pay for that if you lose, right?
That's what she's going to try to do.
So she's monetarily incentivized with a conflict of interest.
Yes, she is.
Wow. Okay, right on.
All right.